IELTS 2020 Speaking Questions. Cue card. Describe something you bought that was difficult to use for the first time. You should say what it is, when you bought it, what it does, and explain how difficult was it to be used. Before purchasing anything, fiercely, I gather information about things such as how to use it or operate it because, in this way, I spend money wisely on items. However, I would like to talk about a thing which I bought that was difficult to use for the first time. That was an Apple laptop. When I was in last year FB.com at that time, I did some projects related to my study. So I needed to purchase a new laptop as I had no other option. Apart from this, I had no time to collect information about it, like how to operate I went to a big mall, and I visited an electrical code where all electrical things available, and I purchased an Apple laptop. There are many reasons behind it why I felt challenging to use it. I used this for the first time, so I did not know about it. In addition to it, I did not know about the function of the laptop. Moreover, I suffered from making Apple ID. I had no idea how to download the software which I required. I felt very worried because it was difficult for me to use for the first time. Then, I took help from my brother who was very expert in technological products. Overall, that was a thing that created difficulty for me to use for the first time. Follow-ups. What type of products are difficult to use at first? Goods and products are manufactured for different kinds of people and customers. Some may find it difficult to handle a high-tech machines while some may find everyday use gadgets in the kitchen difficult to be handled. Do you think it is necessary to follow the fashion and use the latest products? I would answer yes and no both to this question. Yes. It is good to be up to date with the current trends and use the new products. One has to change with the changing times and fashion. Do you believe that some products are over-publicized? Yes, it is the era of advertisement and publicity. Anything that is not advertised, slowly fades away from memory, like they say. Out of sight, out of mind. Why do you think advertisements are useful in selling products? There is a whole lot of research and creativity that is behind making an advertisement. If a product is for the children, then the advertisements are made in such a manner that a child pesters his parents on buying that particular brand. Hence the target is achieved.